Welcome back to A Guide to Glow. Today, we will be discussing skincare for travel. Traveling is exhilarating, but it can also take a toll on your skin. From long flights to changing climates, exploring new destinations can leave your skin feeling dry, irritated, and out of balance. But fear not. With the right skincare routine and a few essential tips, you can keep your skin glowing and radiant, no matter where your adventures take you. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore everything you need to know about skincare for travel, from pre-flight prep to in-flight essentials and post-travel rejuvenation. Before embarking on your journey, it's essential to prepare your skin for the challenges ahead. Start by exfoliating to remove dead skin cells and create a smooth canvas for your skincare products. We prefer a gentle but effective chemical exfoliant, such as the Paula's Choice 2% BHA, which improves the skin's texture without being abrasive like a scrub. Follow up with a hydrating mask to replenish moisture and boost radiance. We love the Murad Cellular Hydration Barrier Repair Mask because it visibly repairs dryness, redness, and roughness on the skin. Don't forget to pack travel-sized versions of your favorite skincare products to ensure you're prepared for any skincare emergency on the go. Another useful idea is to buy a set of empty travel-sized containers that you can fill with skincare products you already have. Air travel can wreak havoc on your skin, thanks to the dry cabin air and recycled air circulating in the plane. Combat dryness by hydrating your skin with a rich moisturizer, like the Bare Minerals Butter Drench Restorative Rich Face Cream. Remember to drink plenty of water to stay hydrated from the inside out. Consider using a facial mist to refresh and revitalize your skin throughout the flight. We love the Dermalogica Ultra Calming Mist, which soothes and relieves inflammation and discomfort on sensitive skin. Don't forget to pack a nourishing lip balm and hand cream to keep dryness at bay. We'll link our favorites in the description box below. Whether you're lounging on a beach or exploring a bustling city, sun protection is crucial for maintaining healthy skin while traveling. Pack a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and reapply regularly, especially if you're spending extended periods outdoors. We find that Korean sunscreens tend to be thinner and more pleasant to wear, with many feeling just like a lightweight moisturizer. This makes every application a pleasure, rather than a burden. Check the description box for some of the best sunscreens to try. You may also consider wearing a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses for added protection against harmful UV rays. Traveling to a destination with a different climate can pose unique challenges for your skin. In hot, humid climates, opt for lightweight, oil-free skincare products to prevent clogged pores and breakouts. In colder climates, switch to richer, more hydrating formulas to combat dryness and protect your skin from harsh weather conditions. The Murad Nutrient Charged Water Gel is a great lightweight option, while the Obagi Hydrate Luxe Moisture Rich Cream is an ultra-rich moisturizing cream. Jet lag can wreak havoc on your skin, leaving it looking tired and dull. Combat fatigue by prioritizing restorative skincare products like overnight masks and serums rich in antioxidants and vitamins. For an overnight mask, we love the Pyunkang Yul Sleeping Mask because, in addition to hydrating, it also has ingredients to repair your moisture barrier while you sleep. And at less than $20, this product is a steal. Layer it over a serum like Honest Beauty's Daily Green Juice Antioxidant Super Serum to really lock in the hydration. Consider incorporating a jade roller or gua sha tool into your skincare routine to reduce puffiness and promote lymphatic drainage. If your accommodations have a refrigerator, try storing your roller or gua sha inside until you're ready to use them. The coolness not only feels refreshing and invigorating, but it also adds to the depuffing effect of your tools. After a long journey, your skin deserves some extra TLC. Treat yourself to a pampering skincare routine featuring soothing masks, hydrating serums, and gentle exfoliants to revive tired, dehydrated skin. We'll link some pamper products we love in the description box. Don't forget to drink plenty of water, eat nourishing foods, and get plenty of rest to help your skin recover from the stresses of travel. Remember, caring for your skin is about more than just the products you apply. Take care of yourself inside and out. Traveling is an adventure, but it doesn't have to take a toll on your skin. By being prepared with the right skincare routine and a few essential tips, you can keep your skin looking radiant and refreshed no matter where your travels take you. From pre-flight prep to in-flight essentials and post-travel rejuvenation, prioritize self-care and nourish your skin every step of the way. For your convenience, we will link some great travel-friendly products and essentials in the description box below the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more skincare content.